Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see API versus web service. Okay, so as part of this, we will see what are the differences between API and web service, and is there any similarities between API and web service. Okay, so let's get started. We'll talk about here API versus web service or web services. So as part of this, we'll talk about differences between API and web service. And the second point, we'll discuss about similarities between API and web services. Okay, first we'll see the differences. First, we'll see the differences between API and web services. So I'll talk one by one. First, we'll see API related points. So what do you mean by API? The full form of API is Application Programming Interface. So Application Programming Interface. Okay. So we'll talk about the API first. Then we'll move to the web service. So the point by point we'll discuss. So the first point is all APIs are not web services. So this point tells that there is a link between web service and API. Means all APIs are not web services. Means some of the web services are APIs. Right? Sorry, some of the APIs are web services. Okay, all APIs are not web services means some of the APIs are web services. Means web services comes under part of APIs. Okay, that is the first point. Okay, all APIs are not web services. So API can be hosted within the application or web server. Okay, the API can be within your application or somewhere in the web server. Okay, there is a chance of within your application, otherwise somewhere in the web server. It can be hosted in two ways. Okay, and the API may use any style of communication. Okay, any style of communication means it might be SOAP, REST, XML, RPC, UDDI, which we discussed the points in the previous video. Please watch the previous videos for better understanding, as this is a series of videos. So one by one I am discussing. If you come from the first video, it will be very clear. Okay, so all APIs are not web services. APIs can be hosted within the application or somewhere in the web server. APIs may use any style of communication. So, and the other point is an API acts as an interface between two different applications so that they can communicate each other. Okay, API is an interface between two applications to communicate the data with one another. So that is the basic point of these web services APIs, right? So that is what one of the points when you talk about the APIs. Okay, so these are the few points when you talk about the API. So now we'll see the web services. Okay, so all web services are APIs. Right. Here we are saying all APIs are not web services, but coming to the web services, all web services comes under the part of APIs. Okay. And it can only be hosted on web server. Here we are saying that APIs can be hosted within the application or web server. So when you say something is hosted within your application, that will not come under web service. But something is hosted in the web server, that comes under web service. Okay. So it can only be hosted on web server. Right. Now, if you have any doubt here in these points, so after these points, you will get the clarity. Right. The first point is related to the first point, and the second point related to the second point. Okay. So the third point is a web service uses limited communication like SOAP, REST, and XML RPC. Okay. So when you talk about the communication between two systems, how it will communicate between the two systems, it might use SOAP, it might be REST, and it might be XML. Okay. So you have limited communication, but API may use any kind of communication which are available to communicate between two applications. Okay. So the same thing. Why the web service, right? So web service facilitates interaction between two machines over network. So the fourth point is the same thing, like it's an interface between two different applications to communicate with one another. But in the API, it might be within the application or over the network. But coming to the web service, it happens only over the network. Okay. So these are the differences between API and web services. So now we'll talk about the second point, similarities. Okay. Similarities between API and web service. Yeah. So we'll talk about what are the similarities between these two things. The first one is both are accessed through HTTP or HTTPS, right? How which kind of protocol it will use, like HTTP or HTTPS, to enable communication between services. We can say service providers and consumers. Okay. Both will have the same kind of communication between the what is a client and server, or service providers and consumers, something like that. Okay. So this is one of the similarities. And the second one is both call a function, and then process the data and receive a response. Like, so it calls a function, then the function will process the data and it will give the the response. You'll receive the response. The process is the same in API and web service. Okay, these are the points when you talk about the similarities between API and web service. Okay, so this is the information about the differences between API and web service, and the same way some similarities between API and web service. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for further and interesting videos.